Hello guys, I'm starting unboxing this my new HP Sprocket Plus for smartphone printer for 2.3 by 3.4 inch photos. And then I bought this in Jerry Bookstore a while ago, and so let's start to unbox this thing. Okay, first we need to open it. Then, okay, maybe I can look at this. Oops, tigas pala ito. Tigas. Need to cut. Using the scissor. Let's see what's it good. This is the Sprocket Plus. See guys? Sprocket Plus HP. The size of the other one is 2.0 by 3.0 inches only, but I got this because it's larger than the other one. So let's see how it goes. Let's start. So I'm gonna keep this receipt just in case if this item will be damaged. At least a week I can return this then. The price of this is it costs before it's 579 Saudi Riyals, and it has a discount for about maybe 50% or 40%. I bought this for 280 Riyals. And this paper Sprocket Plus 20 sheets, the cost of this is 59 Riyals. First thing, the Sprocket Plus. Where's this one? Maybe I can open this by this. Okay. It has a sticker. Oops. It's stick a lot, so we need to use this. Let's open. Ta-dang! Okay. Inside, nothing. Okay. And this is the Sprocket Plus. It's new then. What we have is this Sprocket Plus. It's plastic. It's light. It's not that heavy. So these are the instructions. So it has a cable. The C-type cable. Most probably you can use this for charging in a power bank maybe, because it has a C-type. So most probably you need to put here this, and the other one is in the adapter. Okay, let's open this. Oh, I'm amazed about this. It has a free. Why I bought that? This why it's so expensive. But I need only 5, but I don't even know there's a free 10 sheets. Anyway, see guys. See? Free. It's a 10 sheets paper. Okay, it's a HP Zing Zero Ink. Okay, so let's open this. It has a paper. This is the barcode. Must load facing down. So don't entry charge reverse labels. Okay, so it should be like this. with the barcode, and then open this one, push, slide it up, and then face down. They said face down. So you will keep it like this. Okay. And then close again. So first thing foremost, I need to download first the application, the HP Sprocket Plus. So I need the barcode, HP Sprocket Plus. Okay, so I download already the Sprocket, HP Sprocket application, and see my Sprocket set up on my printer. So I agree, I have agreed. Let's go. Location, photo gallery, okay. Okay. Allow while using application. So next. So, okay, sending. So let's start. You hear the noise? Okay. It's printing. For sure the orange, the thick fan, the thick pan. See the orange one. That's the code, the barcode maybe. Yeah. Okay, this is the first one. See, this is the code because the barcode, it should be like this come first, and then this is the photo right now. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm so excited. How is it? Okay, the color is like oh, it's dark. It's the how to go. See guys? It's dark. It's hot. It's not hot. Okay, that's the photo. See guys? This is the photo. That's good.